Hello, my name is George Goonan, and welcome to the demo video for Invox AI. Now, as you can see, I'm on the home page, and if I just go ahead here and get started. So, the sign up feature is very simple. First name, last name, email, phone number, address for security reasons only, and then a password on the next page. So very simple, right? And for testing's sake, or for the sake of this demo, I'm going to log into my account. Now, upon signing in, you'll be brought to your dashboard where you'll have your free trial days, your plan subscription, the minutes you've used, and the live calls. Obviously, you have two concurrent live calls available in the Pro plan. Now, as we can see here, we've got some recent conversations between our AI receptionist and test callers. Now, obviously, this is all tests, so yours will look a little bit different. But now I'll show you how this all works. So upon coming down here, we have your practice services. Now you'll be required to set these up manually, and you can basically add any service you'd like with any pricing strategy you like and description. Price, you can add a duration, all of these things. So you can have a comprehensive list of your services offered and that kind of thing. And all of this was fed directly into our AI. So anytime a patient calls and they ask how much your dental examinations cost, the AI isn't going to make anything up and give false information to your customers. It's going to draw it from right here. And I can demonstrate that very shortly. Upon going to settings, as you can see, we have everything in here, right? We've got the different rooms. We've got our practice providers. We've got our business hours, and we've got all of this information here. So essentially, on signing up, you're going to come into the receptionist tab and you're going to create a receptionist. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll create a receptionist. It's very simple. Right, so we click create a receptionist. We choose a name. Let's use my name for testing's sake. And you have all of these different voices here.
Hi, I'm Adrian.
Yep, so all of these different voices that you can test out. I'm going to go with Anthony, as it is a British voice. We have two British voices on available, Anthony and Amy. Language, English UK, and ignore conversation flow if you'd like a better AI. Essentially, this is our second refinement, and it's much better. So we click create AI agent. It should take a couple seconds, and there we go. Our AI agent is connected. Now we're going to go over to a phone's number, and we are going to claim our free phone number. We can choose any number we'd like. We press search. Okay. Let's pick this one. We'll claim this number. Okay, phone number claimed successfully. Now we can connect our phone number to George, as simple as that. And now we'll give that number a call and see if it works. 07441445861. So you can see here, we've entered the phone number, excuse my old phone, and we'll give it a call.
Hello, thank you for calling Westwood Dental. My name is George. How can I help you today?
Hi George, I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. That's very kind of you. Just to let you know before we get started, this call may be recorded for quality, training, and appointment booking purposes. The recording is stored securely, and you can request deletion at any time. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So what can I help you with today?
So I was just calling to inquire about your services, your practice services. How much do you charge for a dental examination?
Let me pull up that information for you. Dental examination is £110 per visit. This is a comprehensive exam where the dentist will check your teeth, gums, and overall anything else about our services.
Uh, what about do you offer root canals?
Yes, we absolutely do offer root canals. We charge £30 per root canal treatment. When we need to treat infection or damage inside the tooth. Common procedure, and our dentist is very experienced with them. Is this something you're needing? Were you just curious about what we offer?
I was thinking of getting one. Yeah, I'd like to get a root canal, please.
I can definitely help you with that. Let me get some information from you so we can get you scheduled for a consultation. Can I start with your full name, please?
My full name is George Goonan.
Thank you, George. Phone number to reach you at.
07421
Perfect. I've got 0721078975.
Yep.
Email address to send your appointment confirmation to?
Uh, George Goonan 34 at gmail.com.
Excellent. George or at gmail.com. And do you have a preferred time for someone to call you back? Morning or afternoon work best? Or would you like us to call as soon as?
Uh, Morning works best for me. Tomorrow morning would be fine.
Let me get that scheduled for you. Excellent. You're all set, George. Our team will give you a call back tomorrow morning at 074 78975 to schedule your retail consultation. Receive a confirmation email at gmail.com. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that'll be all, thanks.
You're very welcome. See you tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.
Goodbye. Okay, that was an example call. Obviously, it's going to vary a little bit between patient to patient, but yeah, an example, right? And now the most important part is the reception desk. So now we can come back into callbacks, and here's our information, right? We've got phone number 07421078975, email address georgegreen34 at gmail.com, and the reason is a root canal consultation. So this makes things very easy for your receptionist. Every time they miss a call, it will come up in here, and they can simply make the call back anytime they'd like. It eliminates voicemail. It makes things a lot easier. And then if we come into conversations here and we give it a little minute, so after a little bit of waiting, we can now see we had a 3-minute call 5 minutes ago. Information was provided. The user called Westwood Dental to inquire about examination and root canal services. The agent provided information, scheduled callback for root canal consultation. Call ended with the user satisfied and no further requests. Name George Goonan, 0741 078975, and the email provided. We can come in here. We can look at the whole conversational transcript. Hello, thank you for calling Westwood Dental. Hi, George, I'm doing very well. Yeah, so this all looks perfect. You can have a look through. And yeah, the full transcript put, and we have our user sentiment here. Happy. There's a positive interaction. And as you can see here, in a test call, we had an angry user and the sentiment was shown as a negative. So yeah, that's a very brief overview of Invox AI. If you have any questions, email me at georgegoonan@invoxai.uk or text my number right here. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. Thank you.